At Swift, virtually every model is fitted with under-seat storage. To access, either lift the seat base or pull down the front opening. If your model has a fixed bed, it will also have storage space underneath. To access, lift the bed base, which has gas-assisted struts to make it easier. Always take care when lowering the seat or bed base to avoid trapping fingers. On certain ranges, some storage areas can be accessed from the outside. Simply press in the push locks and pull down the cover. To ensure all cupboard doors stay locked during transit, Swift fits positive locker catches. On upper locker doors, press in the middle of the handle to release the lock and open. Lower cupboards have a push button lock. Push the button and it will spring out to release the lock. When you close the door, simply push the button back in. When traveling, it's important to store freestanding tables in their dedicated place. This is most often located in a wardrobe. There is a twist lock to secure the table in position.